Hi, parents. My name is Yoshita, and I'm also a parent of an ICSE grade 10 student. I also happen to be a life coach, and I work in the space of mental wellness as well. And, parents, this is what I have to share with you, that today is your moment of truth. Today is the moment where you will define what your child takes away from this confusion and crisis that we are faced with. And let me explain to you what I mean by that. We did this campaign and we said that we want class 10 boards to be cancelled. And now we've been given two options by the council. Number one is either your child will come and give the exam. And number two is if they don't give the exam, they will be judged basis whatever the council deems fit. And they have mentioned three things. Number one is your internal assessment. Number two is your pre-board marks. And number three is the average of whatever board exams children have given so far. Now, as parents, as a parent community, what is that choice that we are going to exercise will tell our children a lot. Firstly, if you are saying that to your child that it's okay, it doesn't matter, you don't have to go and give the exam, you have lifted a load of them. But if the child has got, let's say, 50% marks or 60% marks in their pre-boards, it's only half the load lifted because now they are worried that, oh, are my pre-board exam marks going to get then counted? Now let's try and understand this a little more. How does the child really care about these pre-board marks? Because we, the parents and the education system of our country, have drilled it into the child that your board marks are very important. All of grade 10, we were telling them that do your best, do your best, do your best, and they know that the pre-board marks were not their best. And that's why they're worried that even if I don't give, even if I don't have to go and give the exam, but if they're going to take my pre-board, it's like making a choice between two very difficult options. So why I'm saying this is a moment of truth is because parents, please don't make your children take that decision. You take that decision. And I hope you will take the right decision for their mental and physical well-being. Because if you tell the child that yes, the board marks are important and yes, your pre-boards were not good enough, so therefore you need to go and give these board exams, what are you telling the child? You know, today adults, very mature, intelligent, well-read, well-educated people are committing suicide because of COVID. Okay? How do you expect your child to be devoid of feelings of fear and anxiety of going into that examination hall? How do you think that that's a valid choice? And please, let's not talk of democracy and everybody has a choice and let's exercise that choice. No, I'm sorry. As a person who does so much of work with children, grown up children, which is what I call the inner child space, as somebody who does a lot of work there, that person who will grow into an adult will always remember that my parent gave more importance to marks than my well-being. So don't take the easy route out and leave it to your child to decide. No, they are 16, but they are children at the end of the day. And they pick up your signals and they take choices depending on what they think you would approve of. So please, my sincere request to you is to only give priority to mental well-being and physical well-being of your child. It's a global pandemic. Please understand that. The whole world understands that. Do not make it a situation that, oh, your pre-board marks were not good enough and therefore it's okay if you want to go and give the exam, because the child hears it in a very different way. The child hears it as, oh, my parents actually want me to go and improve my marks. And what the child feels is that I am good enough only when I get good marks. I hope you get this. I really, really hope you get this. And I hope that when your school sends you a form asking you to exercise the option, you will exercise the option that is the right option for the physical and emotional well-being of your child, and not any other option. As I said, it's a moment of truth.